guys, welcome back to our channel. It's your girl Skylar and my lady Claire.
Nice. Nice.
Well, Claire,
Whatever.
same thing. She looks so beautiful. She looks so beautiful. Since it's the spirit of Halloween, I thought, why not turn my boyfriend into my girlfriend? So if you'd like to see how I turned Cliff into beautiful Claire, keep on watching. Okay, so the first step to this transforming my boyfriend into my girlfriend Halloween tutorial. So the Fenty Beauty Pro Filter Primer. I'm just using a pump of this and disperse it all over his handsome face. His face has already been washed and exfoliated, so got a perfect base. The drag route. I will be covering his eyebrows. Sorry guys, this powder is difficult. But yeah, since we're doing the drag route, I'll be covering his eyebrows with some good old, some good old Elmer's glue. Be on your phone.
Damn.
You're gonna be looking down.
Can't play the game.
No, you cannot play the game. So let's zoom it in for y'all. Well, keep in mind, like, you've got thick eyebrows, hence why I am covering them. We're just gonna paste them down. I'm just using like an old mascara wand because I can't find any pretty spoolies to use, so I'll brush them up. I'm gonna slick them against you.
Oh. Boy, oh boy.
He's got really thick brows. Like, they're very fair, but they're very thick, so that's why I gotta go in with a few layers.
A few.
Yeah. We're on layer, like, what, 5 right now?
At least. So for anybody wondering why I have this, like, line through my hair here.
Talk about your condition.
It's, I don't know if everybody would be familiar with it, but it's called trichotillomania. It's basically
I'll put it underneath, like, spelled out, because
it's basically like a psychological condition where it can be like,
you have this insatiable urge.
yeah,
right?
like it can be like stress related, or it can be just like you have nothing to do. And I mean, I know probably everybody has already noticed in prior videos, like I've always got my like hands near my face and stuff, and yeah, like I'm not necessarily like jittery, but I am jittery. Anyway, you basically like twist and pull your hair. So that's what that is all up in there. I'll twist it into knots, and then I'll pull it out, and I've been doing it since I was in like, well, from when I can remember, probably like grade 2.
Yeah. It's a condition where like it's nothing of a, oh, like biting your nails, where it's like, oh, like you could stop. It's like it's insatiable. Like he doesn't even notice it sometimes that he's doing it.
Yeah, like we can just be like hanging out watching a movie.
Yeah.
And as I'm watching the movie, I'm twisting it and I'm pulling it, and she'll like.
Yeah, I'll give him that tap.
She'll grab my hand, or yeah, she'll tap me, and she'll like give me that look, like, you know, you're doing it, and I'm like, yeah. And there's been a few times where I'm just like, what are you talking about? Like I wasn't doing it.
Yeah.
Trying my hardest not to do it, but been doing it so long, it's hard to stop.
Right now I'm going in with MAC setting powder in Invisible. And I'm just pressing that in. Sorry. Probably should tell you to close your eyes. Relax your face, but close your eyes. And I probably went in with maybe, what, 6 to 8 layers of glue. Like I said, he's got really thick brow hairs, and the density of his brows is very high. So even though they're very fair.
Our son refuses to sleep.
Yeah, he's going through that 1 year sleep regression.
In layman's terms, he's being a little poop.
Yeah. And the thing that's unfortunate is that our son, though he is 12 months old, he acts like he's 40 years old.
Very intelligent one that he is.
He is. Ooh, that feels hard.
And that's like a very unbiased like opinion. Like we've had multiple people say that, you know, he's
very advanced for his age.
Yeah.
Yeah. Psychologically and physically. Weight-wise, he's not. Weight-wise, he's like in the 55th percentile, which is like, you know, middle. It's not above average or less than, but for height, he is. He's at the 85th percentile, so he's a tall little boy.
It actually shocks me. I work with a guy, and he is like a movie guru. You name him, like any movie from any year, and he's seen it, can list like the main actors, actresses, no problem. But he hasn't seen Step Brothers. Like mind blowing. Like how have you not seen the funniest John C. Reilly / Will Ferrell movie? Out here. If you guys have any ideas of stuff you want us to do or like suggestions, like feel free to comment and let us know, and we'd be more than happy to make you guys happy.
Next, I'm going in with the MAC Pro Longwear. What is this? Brow set. This is in ebony. I have a little sample of the Tarte Creaseless Concealer in, Tarte Shape Tape, I think? Or I can't even remember. I'll put it in the description box. And I'm just applying this on C's brows, or feature brows. There we go. I don't want to manipulate it too much, just because I don't want to...
Looks like I don't even have eyebrows right now.
Yeah, well, that's what I was going for, you know? I'm applying the MAC Pro Longwear Waterproof Brow Set in ebony. And I'm making little hair strokes to mimic some brow hairs. Some more concealer to carve up the brows. This ain't really a tutorial, to be honest. I'm just showing how to transform my boyfriend into a girlfriend, you know? Okay, so we've drawn on his eyebrows. See, looking like a fine ladylike. I also applied some concealer to his lids and set that with the same translucent powder that we applied on his eyebrows. I'm just dusting away the fallout. Make C look like a fine woman. I'm not gonna do drag queen. I want this to look like, you know, like it's a fine biddy, you know, with a
fine biddy with a beard.
Have you not heard of polycystic ovarian syndrome? My ladies, my bearded ladies, get it. Don't be ashamed. Close your eyes, please. Now I'm just gonna speed through this, but when I'm done, we'll be back. Naked Skin Weightless Complete Coverage Concealer in medium. Add it to the perimeter of his face, and I'm just gonna blend it in. That way he doesn't look so pale and yellow. Anastasia Beverly Hills Cream Contour Kit in medium, and I'm going in with the color Cinnamon. Just taking more of that MAC setting powder in Invisible, and I'm just baking on the highlighted areas. To bronze, I'm taking MAC's MSF, so Mineralized Skin Finish in medium tan. Fanciful Amazonian Clay Blush. Prep and Prime Fix Plus and Original. Close your eyes, please. I'm going in with MAC's Blankety Lipstick. MAC's Brooklyn Born, part of the Aaliyah collection. More of a champagne gloss, minimal opacity with some glitter in it. Gonna make your lips look juicy. I'm just kind of applying it to the center of the lip. Pucker your lips. Yes, look at that. Yeah. Lashes should be tacky, so we'll apply those. Thank y'all for watching. Make sure you comment, like, and subscribe. Share all your videos, or your videos. Skylar, comment down. Share our videos with your friends and family. It really helps us out.
Thanks for tuning in, y'all. Props to Skylar for doing the makeup. I mean, my opinion, it's well done. I'm not like... Look at Claire! Look at like... I'm not like bummed about it, but I mean, it is what it is. I had fun doing it.
Yeah,
not gonna lie. I mean, it was just calming and peaceful just to sit there and relax and chill.
Yeah,
but yeah. Like she said, like, comment, subscribe, and we'll keep bringing you the content. So thanks for tuning in. Take it easy. Have a good night. Have a good day. Whatever it may be.
See you in the next
Till
video.
next time. Peace. Cliff out.
Forever and always yours, Skylar. Peace out.
Come here. It's me. Come here. It's me. Hello. Boo.
I feel like he's on the verge of crying.
What, you don't recognize your dad's voice?
It's like when it's coming out of a woman.
Boo.
Where's Dada? He's like, you sure, Mom?
Woo.
Show Lola.